Hey everybody, it's Greg from Gray Line Orlando. Just want to let you know today I am here at one of my favorite places, which is Wild Florida. And here behind me I have the Kookaburras. If you've never seen the Kookaburras, they are fascinating birds. They actually make a very unique sound if you know how to get them to talk, which is quite simple. It's going to sound like they're laughing, but they do this all the time. Ready? Isn't that cool? So a lot of times, a lot of people think those are monkeys when you ever see them, or hear them, I should say, in like jungle movies, things like that. But that is an actual Kookaburra. So next time you're here, make sure you come by and visit the Kookaburras. This is Greg from Gray Line Orlando. We'll see you soon.